Boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid turns into vapor, and it's the key principle that makes simple distillation possible. When we heat a mixture, the component with the lower boiling point vaporizes first, allowing us to separate it from the other components. Think of boiling points as each molecule's personal breaking point, the temperature where they just can't take the heat anymore and float away. I tell my students to imagine a swimming pool on a hot summer day. The water molecules are like people in the pool. Some folks, let's call them ethanol, can't handle the heat and leave early at 78 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, the water molecules are like those die-hard swimmers who stick around until it hits 100 degrees Celsius. This difference in when molecules peace out is exactly what makes simple distillation work. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.